asthma attacks. It's a once-monthly auto treatment for severe eosinophilic asthma, not for sudden breathing problems. Allergic reactions can occur. Get help right away for swelling of face, mouth, tongue, or trouble breathing. Infections that can cause shingles have occurred. Don't stop steroids unless told by your doctor. Tell your doctor if you have a parasitic infection. May cause headache, injection site reactions, back pain, and fatigue. Ask your asthma specialist about a new normal with Nucala.
Man, DriveTime makes it easier to buy a car. You can pretty much do it all on your phone. You have your own time. I got approved from tons of cars that I like. And got my personalized financing right here. It's kind of like I'm already at a dealership.
Yeah, you are in a DriveTime dealership.